back to another episode of Every Gamer TV. Today we have a special guest here.
Hello.
Yes, it is. She's here, and currently we are playing this game called La Barayu. This game is the Malaysia, not Singapore highway, because Malaysia in Malay, in English, Le Barayu equals to the highways in Malay. Now, today we'll be here with a question Q&A session with our special guest. So our first question is, since we have many kinds of cars, like the Perodua, the Proton, the Toyota, the Nissan, the Honda. So what cars are the most common in Malaysia?
It's a Proton.
Okay, the Proton is, if I'm not wrong, produced in Malaysia.
Yes,
and
right.
Only can be found in Malaysia, because in Singapore I don't really find them. So today we're not going to choose any of the other cars except for this Honda Civic, which looks very interesting. Think to me. And somehow, whenever the car spawns, it always flies from the top and then it smacks onto the ground. And so it's quite laggy here. So as you can see, we're having some quite serious problems here. This doesn't happen to you in your daily life. So what we are going to do is just remove the vehicle, no matter what. I don't care, because it's like we can't get the vehicle out, so the only choice is to get it out by So instead of spawning any of the other cars, I'm gonna spawn this car, which is, oh no, not that car, sorry. I would like to remove the vehicle, please. Okay, it's not working. So anyway, we're just gonna choose the Nissan Skyline, since I got no other choices. It's a GTR, which is kind of a special car if I'm not wrong. Okay, I'll get some people in. They always like to hitch a ride from other cars. Salam. Oh no. Okay, this guy is Malaysian, and whatever he's speaking, I can't tell. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna try to either get him back or just normally, or just gonna drive. Will you please hitch a ride if you want to? Okay, forget it. They don't want to hitch a ride. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna go solo then. Cause it's like, never mind. So anyway, we are here. This is called somehow it's called the click and go. But I think I understand why. So here, this is our next question. It's not in Singapore, in Malaysia, it's not called click and go. So here's our question. What is this and what is it for?
Touch and go. Actually, this is called touch and go. Touch and go means that when you pass through the door, you need to pay the fee when you're using this highway. So there is a equipment that, like your card, debit card, or you top up the value.
Basically, your ERP card, something like your ERP card.
Yes, you are right. So you just touch then the barrel will let you go. So this is called touch and go.
But in Roblox it's called click and go because we can't like use our hand, go inside the screen and then take the card and then after that, you know. So this is the card. It's actually kind of like blue in color. I don't understand why though. Anyway, and there's also a Malaysian flag, which looks nice, like the normal Malaysian flag, you know. Okay, so right now we're going so SPS 252 at 23, and we're at, oh my gosh, this is so fast. And then most of the signs in this game are actually almost real to the actual games in the actual signs in the actual highway. Because it's like most of the signs is telling you where is the places like Selama and the pit stop area, where is it, and how far you must take to reach there. So it's normally when you, oh my gosh, normally when you drive on a vehicle, you won't see people like this. This won't happen in your daily life.
What happened to this?
I don't know. People are just stuck on a road with an injured motorbike.
They have an accident?
I think. Because they're just stuck at the side of the road.
But when you're driving, you have to walk through. You have to see carefully, right? Or else,
Bam!
in real life, what will happen?
The whole car might explode. And then it's like, it'll just be a very quick crash. That's it.
So in your real life, what will happen?
Like, just crash. When you saw the signs that we passed, like the Vivo phone and the aircon, it's actually, some of the signs are actually real. Most of the signs are actually real brands like that. Watch. This is a burger brand. I'm pretty sure it's not real. But the first advertisement we passed is actually real. Okay, look. This one. 1 kilometer. Parking, toilet, petrol station, Muslim praying center, and telephone center and shelter. This is normally for, it's normally called a pit stop. Over there, there's one. As you can see, over there, yeah, opposite, there was a petrol station. We're just gonna stop over here and I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna show you guys how it's like. And yeah, normally this to be honest, this is my first time playing this game, so I don't really know how a lot of things. And I don't really know a lot of Malay, so I can't translate for you guys. So it's like, down here there's toilet. Some places there's eateries and like, I don't know why, but I think that's a playground. Down here says premium car parking, and then down here there's a motorcycle. Yep, that's a... So sometimes when other people like try to watch, when some other people like normally board your car, then you're always like, get out. But because other people, it's like when you board their car, they will just drive for you. They will just like drive other places, like along the highway. And then it's like, normally it's you won't expect this. And then because it's like, you just passed a waiting station, pit stop, I just skipped it and then just went on to the others. Because it's not as busy as the real life. Because normally in real life, the ones I've been to, it's actually like, it's actually no barriers, quite busy, and like a lot of big cars. But in this COVID, of course, not a lot of cars lah. And if you can see, there's no U-turn going back. So now I have literally no idea how am I gonna go back. Or maybe I am already going back. Because I can't tell. Maybe I'm already going back. I don't tell. I don't know. But then most highways like this has the same thing as this highway. They have the signs, they have the lampposts, they have the cars, they have almost everything. Almost everything, I would say. But they don't really have everything, cause it's not exact same. You see some details are like literally missing. Though I don't really know what kind of details. Maybe it's the amount of people in this place, or maybe it's that remember you saw the spawn? The spawn is like a building, and then after that the click and go, or what we call the touch and go. And it's not really just exact. So technically this is not the real Malaysia highway. But if you want to experience it, then you can just come here. Don't worry, it's alright. You can just come here and, experience how it's like without a lot of people. Okay, there's another stop. I'm gonna try waiting here. I'm gonna try showing you guys. See whether I can or not. Oh yes, this is better. This is better. This is better than the previous. Okay. Okay, guy. So this place is like the normal how it's like. But then it's like there's a there's nasi rendang, and then there's actually a lot of things you can actually choose. But it's like a lot of things. There's eateries, there's shops, there's money exchange counter, there's even a bicycle shop. Though I don't know whether you can get the bicycle. Oh, okay, you can. I'm actually quite surprised. Cause not every day is like this. Let's go. So let's go. So it's like, I think this is the previous one. I think it's the same thing as the previous, but maybe it was the same thing, just that it was opposite. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Bike shop. Cause most of the bike shop. Cause most of the things in here is almost like the copy of the exact thing, but it's not really the copy. So huge shout out to whoever this guy is. I can't tell. Let me take a look. Huge shout out to Saber Black Jacko for participating in my video for today. You can check out the video at Eric Gamer TV. Rick Gamer TV. You can search it up on this channel. Okay, now we are going. We are gonna try to go back, but I don't think we can though, because it's quite complicated. It's we can't U-turn, and then I'm a terrible driver. I don't drive properly. So, any last words before we go off?
No. Drive carefully, be safe, be healthy.
And try not to catch COVID. Well, that's all, and you will see us driving for the next 5 seconds or so. Bye-bye. Mm.